the system. Okay, connect all the monitor and outer unit with the PoE switch. Okay, with the network cable. Okay. And then in the system setting, okay, here are all the okay. 6 system setting and extension. We are sent a note how to set the room number. Okay, you can set the extension like this way. Okay. Now show video to you how to connect the apps. The app is TUYA Smart. Okay. Here and video intercom and cloud intercom, Wi-Fi connect. Okay, back to the system to restart. Okay. Okay, then and then open TUYA Smart Apps and then add device, security and sensor, smart camera and other modes, AP mode. Next step, and here and input your home Wi-Fi on and then confirm and go to connect. Okay, Wi-Fi setting menu and choose Smart Life IP camera, IP doorbell, sorry, and connect it. Okay, after it connect, back to TUYA Smart and it will connect. Okay, done. Connect successfully. Okay, then call the indoor monitor and input the room number. Okay, input room number 1003.
Please input room number
3. Okay. The monitor and the app will run at the same time, and then you can accept and then talk. Here, talk. Okay. The password of
Please input password.
System is 66. And then this button to confirm. Okay, press the 6 or 4 to left or right. Okay. Okay, the settings. Language system. Okay, here is card manager, and then press this button to enter, and 0 to add cards, and then this button to confirm the room number. Input the room number that you want to add the cards. I input 1003. Okay, this button to confirm, and then read the cards. Okay, add successfully, and read the cards one by one. Okay, add successfully. Okay, confirm, and you can add more cards to other room number. Okay, and okay, now save the card to unlock.